Okay, so let us answer examples on time rates. So we have example number one reads water is flowing into a vertical cylindrical tank at the rate of 24 cubic feet per minute. If the radius of the tank is 4 feet, how fast is the surface rising? Okay, so we have given 24 cubic feet per minute. This is your change in volume over time or your volumetric flow rate. And then sabi, we have a vertical cylindrical tank and the radius is 4 feet. This is your radius. And then the question is how fast is the surface rising? So if you will imagine what happens, no? So let's say you have a water source, no, filling up the cylindrical tank, no. Basically, the height or the depth of water rises, basically, no. So the question is how fast is the surface rising? So what are we looking for? We're looking for the change in height over time, right? Okay. So before we continue, let's just classify now what is constant. So and then what is changing. Okay. So the one constant is the flow rate. It doesn't change that it changes over time, dv over dt, and also our radius. But what is changing? The depth of the water or the height, and also definitely the volume. Though the flow rate dv over dt is constant, but v is changing, no? V is changing basically. No? All right. So how are we going to relate it? No? Uh, we can start by getting the volume of the tank. Okay. So let's just take a look. Just imagine at any time t, at any given time, your volume. Do you remember the volume for your cylinder? No. Cylinder is a prism. Okay, with the base of a circle, right? So the volume is area of the base times height. So the area of the base is a circle. So it's pi r squared times the height. But we know that r is constant. So the volume would be pi 4 squared times the height. So it will be 16 pi h for our volume. So we write that equation 16 pi times height and then we differentiate with respect to time. So this becomes your dv over dt, okay, is equal to 16 pi h. Oh, what happens? So 16 pi is a constant, so we can put that out. Then dh over dt. Remember, we are looking for this. This is our unknown, right? And then this has a value, dv over dt, which is 24 feet per minute. So we can write down that dh over dt would be 24, then divide both sides by 16 pi. Alright. So when we simplify that, no, dh over dt would be equal to, alright, divide by 8 on the numerator and the denominator, that would be 3 and 2 pi feet per minute. Now this is your final answer. So if you would like to write down the answer or answer the question, how fast is the surface rising? So the surface of water, um, or the depth of water in the vertical cylindrical tank rises by 3 over 2 pi minute. 3 over 2 pi feet pala per minute. So that's how we will answer the question. Okay?